Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the palm's root spread and marking a clear trench line about 1 to 1. 5 m from the trunk, this preserves the major roots. Once marked, cut back fronds that block access and clear debris so you can work safely. Make sure to lay a tarp for soil and to position straps for later lifting. This reduces transplant shock. You're setting the scene so the dig moves quickly and the roots stay intact. Speed here equals higher survival. Now you excavate toward the trunk in a careful, circular sweep. Dig down to about 30 to 50 cm to free the root ball. While digging, sever only the outer roots with a clean cut so the core root mass remains bundled. Once the base is exposed, pack soil around the root ball to stabilize it, loop straps underneath, and test lift slightly to check balance. This method protects feeder roots and maintains moisture, which is why you avoid overexposure. Finally, lift the palm using coordinated carries or a lift. Keep the trunk vertical and support the root ball to stop crumbling. Move it to the new hole sized to accept the ball with its original soil. Backfill gently, tamping to remove air pockets, then water deeply. Once done, mulch and stake if needed. If leaves wilt or yellow, act fast. Provide shade, water slowly, and inspect roots for cuts. Treatable issues usually stem from root loss or air exposure, so address those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.